objective here is to show you the fuel consumed between competitive products as well as Continental products. We will be demonstrating two competitive brands as well as our competitive long-haul fuel-efficient drive tire retreads. Lower rolling resistance delivers better fuel efficiency. The control truck and the test truck are side by side, each equipped with 69 inches of fuel. That truck will run 2 laps equating to 17 miles. This control truck will take 1 lap around to warm the tires up. As he gets to the back side of the track is an orange cone. Once he hits that cone, he will stop drawing fuel from his tank and he will start drawing fuel from a fuel beaker which is mounted on the side of the truck. On the test truck, we have the same HSL2s on the steer. We have the B710 cap on the drive and the HTL Eco Plus trailer tires. The same driver will be driving the control truck all day long, while another driver is driving the test truck all day long. So it takes the comparison of driver error out of the situation. So the control truck delivered 20 and 15/16 inches. The test truck controlled 19 and 3/8 inches. This test will run the G572 retread. This one is what?
19 and an 8, I think, unless someone has a different opinion.
19 and 1/8. Again, same driver, same speeds, same laps, same consumption. What we're going to do is measure the fuel consumed during this test compared to the others.
Between 5 and 6/8.
The results you witnessed today, we are favorable. We do provide greater fuel savings.
They save money because they are able to go a longer distance on the retread than they can in a non-fuel efficient tire.
The Continental definitely was a better handling tire. Knowing the performance that we see in the field, they definitely have an advantage over the competition.
It's great. It's great knowledge for us to take back to our salespeople and to our customers.